Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit different and very special. I'm on my way to a beautiful cafe in Malabe with one of my friends. Just look at this road. The trees on both sides create such a peaceful canopy. It feels like the perfect day for a new beginning. We finally arrived at this cozy cafe. The atmosphere here is just amazing. Exactly what I needed for today's big reveal. So, if you've been following my journey, you know how much I love capturing moments. Recently, I received a package that completely surprised me. This was a gift from my mentor. I am beyond grateful because having the right tools makes a huge difference in storytelling. And here it is, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've watched so many reviews of this, and I still can't believe I'm holding it. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we have the protective cover, the Type-C cable, and this additional handle. Wow, look at that. The first thing you notice is how tiny it is. It literally fits in the palm of my hand. This is the 3-axis gimbal. It's what makes the videos look super smooth, even if I'm walking or moving. When I told my friend that I got this camera, he did something so sweet. He knew that I wouldn't be able to start recording right away without a high-speed memory card. So he gifted me this SanDisk Extreme Pro SD card. Honestly, I'm so lucky to have people in my life who support my dreams like this. Grateful for friends like you. The screen is so cool, you just rotate it, and the camera wakes up. It feels so premium and well built. I'm already thinking of all the vlogs I'm going to film with this. Now, I'm switching the footage. The clip you are seeing right now is actually recorded on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Can you see the difference in quality? The colors and the stability are just on another level. I am so excited for this new chapter. A huge thank you to my mentor for the camera and to my friend for the SD card. Thank you guys for being part of my journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because some amazing high-quality vlogs are coming your way very soon. See you in the next one. Bye.